So, good afternoon, sir. So, among napili nga topic is counting sample points. So, ang ako napili nga theorem is theorem 1.4. So, theorem 1.4 is the number of combination of n distinct objects stick in R at a time is. So, yung formula is n combination of R equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So, example 14. A young boy asks his mother to get 5 Game Boy TV cartridge from his collection of 10 arcade and 5 sports games. How many ways are there that his mother can get 3 arcade and 2 sports games? So, mani ang solution. The number of 2 ways of selecting 3 cartridge from 10 is. So, ang atong formula is n combination of r equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So, ang n is muna siya ang sample space. So, muna siya ang 10 combination of 3 kay 3 kay tulo man ka selecting, then equals 10 factorial over 3 factorial times 10 minus 3 factorial is equal to 120. So, kay ang problem man kay duha, ang una is Game Boy TV and ang kaduha kay sa sports games. Kay 5 ra ang n, then ang gias man sa question is selecting 2 cartridges. So, 5 combination 2, then ang answer is 10. Since ang question man katong sa multiplication rules, man if kanang naakay duha ka answer like combination nato siyang i-multiply using a multiplication rule sa probability. So ang answer ana is kanang 1,200 ways. Then ang pagkuha sa answer anang sa kaduha nga problem is mahimo na siyang 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 5 factorial minus 2 factorial. So kay ang ato amang so ato i-minus ang 5 factorial minus 2 factorial. So may na siya 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial. So mo na siyang nahimo siya og 10. So mao nahimo siya 1,200 ways kay maong ang duha ka combination is gi-multiply lang. So yung answer is 1,200 ways. So, mo lang to, and thank you, sir.